All right, what's up everybody? Here's this little precision electric screwdriver set I got off the Amazon. Just came in today, so I want to give you like a little initial unboxing review of it. So there's your instruction stuff, but it comes with all kinds of different attachments, from Phillips head to flatheads, hex screws, Allen heads, even these little weird looking bits there. There's your charger ports. Man, my phone keeps on wanting to focus. So it's got like 3 different speeds. There's where you charge it up at. So you got 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3. There's your battery life right here, forward and backwards. So I'll open one of these things up here, plug it up, plug it in like so. So I'll start out on the setting 1. See it turning there. Opposite way. There's setting 2. Go to setting 3. A little bit faster, but it's pretty neat, especially how compact, small it is, to be able to work on something small, nothing really heavy, powerful, but it's pretty neat with all the different attachments it comes with. But seen this, decided to go ahead and get it, so maybe it helps me out just a little bit on different things, but we'll see. All right, drop a comment if you guys have ever used something like this before, what you guys' thoughts. Is it worth having, or just keep with the little same old hand crank?